Alright guys, so what's up? I know it has been months. I haven't worked on this thing in years, it seems like. But finally got some motivation going. Pulled everything out of the MR2. I was gonna leave the Bayo the same. I'm pretty sure you can scroll in the last videos and you can see how it was like two different colors here. My boy was like, just go ahead and paint it. There's no rush to get the car done. I was like, you're right. So taped everything off, primed it, took everything out, and then I still got to tape the rest of the car off, but we're gonna tape it off, we're gonna paint it. The prime job came out okay, not too bad. Prime the back. So I guess what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this, and guess I'll go ahead and show some after footage. I don't have my clear yet. I might clear it tomorrow. It's kind of late, but worst case, we will get both of these sides painted full, all our coats tonight, and then I guess I'll go ahead and roll in the clear in the morning. All right, so this is the clear. It's been maybe like 3 days, maybe. Been a while, but got the clear coat on. Did about two or three coats of paint, and then did about 2 or 3 coats of clear. Paint matched pretty good. Looks good in here now. Not the best job in the world, but I mean, it looks, I'd say, decent for a garage paint job. Not the best, but looks good. I have no complaints. Color matched out. Color came out really good. Like, this is, I guess, whatever color it was, and then this is kind of the color that it was painted. So I mean, it's not too far off. I mean, you can't even really see a transition between where the color it was and the color that it came out, but it looks real good. I have no complaints, really. Looks good. Let's just, only thing is now we gotta get the whole car back together. So that's gonna be the now let's put everything back in. Let's go ahead and get it rolled back up. All right, guys, so it's been a couple more days. I actually been busy not working on this thing and doing other things. So got the fuel tanks in and just kind of put the intercooler in, started running some fuel lines. So we got this kind of started, but the new thing I wanted to talk to you guys about was obviously by the title of the video, we got a new project car. We got a couple garage updates. That's kind of the real big thing I've been working on the past couple days. So I'm not going to tell you the new car yet, but I did pick up this thing, this automotive toy thing, because we are out of, obviously you can see we have 1 car in here, 2 car in here, a motorcycle. We don't have, we were just realistically, we don't have another room for another project car, but I wanted to get something because this is kind of coming on the wrap up. That's kind of almost done. So I wanted to get something else. So decided to pick this up. My boy was parting out his shop, and he was like, hey, if you're looking for something, I got a lot of stuff for you. So I was like, well, I'll take it. So I can now put this, hopefully this car will be in the air. And then 2, also painting this stuff. Painting this engine right here. This is the engine that's going in the MR2. It's not too bad. Just taped it up. We got to get it painted, and then we'll go ahead and drop it in, but it's not that bad. Looks good. Paint that. I'm not sure what color I'm going to do it yet either. I'm really not sure, but I guess we'll figure out what color we're going to do it. Maybe a dark gray black. I don't know. Some people say black is not the color to do on an engine, but yeah, let's see. So yeah, lifts in here. It's pretty good size, not too bad. It is a rotary revolution for you people that are wondering what kind of lift it is. Decently priced lift, not too bad. But oh, too, yeah, I gotta fix the garage door before we get the new project car in here, because this is not going to work because it is too low, as you can see. I will say though, hint for the new project car, it is K-Series. and it is rear wheel drive, so we don't want to show too much of that. But it should be a fun project car, I'm thinking. K-Series, rear wheel drive, and let's say this, it is, I know you guys are probably thinking it's another MR2. No, it's not an MR2, I'll give you that. It's not a Miata, because I would never drive that anyway. And it's not, probably gonna say like not maybe a S-Series, S-chassis car, like a S13, S14, it's not that. But it is K-Series, it is rear wheel drive. So I guess, I don't know. I guess we can see if this thing works. I haven't really tried it out yet. This is the first time. I've just been working on getting it installed and wired up. So I guess let's see. All right, so as you guys can see, it does work pretty good, pretty high, works underneath here. We got plenty of room to work under here if we needed to. Not bad, guys, not bad. All right, so guess that's it. Next video, we probably will be dropping the engine in this thing. Yeah, I think that's it. Drop the engine in, drop trans in, get everything wired up, and maybe we'll give this bad boy a start. So, all right, guys, later.